extreme bullishness seen across markets and commodities, and NASDAQ 100 was the one which fly like anything, almost close to 6% rise it is seen. At the same time, US30 is to follow the trend and achieved a high and now trading at 33,720 levels. Now what to expect today, which position we should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Remember, before the CPI inflation data itself, my analysis, we have clearly told that it is looking forward to a breakout. Now let's have a look at US100 first. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon such that you can stay tuned with the latest updates. The next update will be up before the US cash session. Do watch that also. Now look at the hourly charts. Yes, there is a reversal indication on the hourly charts here. This is the reversal indication. This is the reversal confirmation for the trend reversal. Also look at the hourly charts. It is the bottom of this channel on the hourly charts. Yes, below 11,590 you can sell there, but then expect 11,500, 11,450 and 11,400. Only bearish confirmation is if it trades below 11,350, below which we can expect that it is going to drop strongly on the downside. Yes, there could be a retracement a little on the other time frames, but should not be considered bearish till the time it trades above 11,400, 350 levels. These are my favorite numbers. Those who follow me for long must observe these levels. And yes, 11,650 levels, 11,700 zone, we have always maintained as a stronger resistance. I'll come back to it, these levels, when we look into the daily and 4-hour charts. Now look at the directional movement. This is extremely bullish. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards from here. The MACD is willing to converge, RSI overbought. So on the hourly charts, everything overbought. On the 2-hour charts, again showing you a reversal below 11,590, you can take a sell position. Probability exists that it may see 11,500, 11,400, 350, only below 11,350. It can show you a little drop. Then in the near time frame, you can expect 11,200, 11,000 levels. Possibility is less because it is come back into extreme bullish zone. So retracement is there, but still it is very bullish. Directional movement bullish here. Stochastic overbought and hence a little bit of cooling can be expected. The MACD trying to converge, the RSI overbought, all overbought here. It means a little retracement can be expected. Now look at the 3-hour charts. See this candle and this candle. It can give you possibly lower highs, lower low. So yes, 11,580, 570 it can try to achieve, and then the next candle will decide which direction it will take. Then when the next candle arrives, probably taking it below, it can come back to 11,500 levels, trading in this zone, and from 11,500 it can again start the bullish journey till 11,350. I will not consider this as bearish, and only below 11,350 you can expect a little more bearishness, which may try to take it further down. 11,200, 100, the next support levels will come into picture. Directional movement extremely bullish, stochastic extremely overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation there. Now see, the candles are so big that it is falling shy of completing or retracing here, because a retracement here means a 100-point drop. That should be a good move for NASDAQ 100. Hence be cautious there. A buy position above 11,650 only, where you can expect it to buy or retrace more from there on the upside, or continue the bullish momentum rather. On the sell side, you can sell there at 11,570. Then expect 11,500, 11,450, 400. 350 is a very good support. Below 350 it is going to crash or drop strongly for 11,250, 11,200 and 140. Directional movement extremely bullish, stochastic overbought, the MACD is bullish, divergent, RSI is overbought. And now let's have a look at the daily charts. So what it has achieved on the daily charts, can you see this? Now it appears there is a wall here, multiple candles getting the resistance there, and can you see it is trying to trade in this box for multiple days and weeks. Now see, it has covered the entire range from here to here in just one single candle. What it has achieved in weeks, it has reversed in single day. Now this is a extreme bullish indication, but it failed to break past this zone at 11,650, 700, and still it is trying to trade in box. So once it trades above 11,700, Yes, it is looking forward to fly high. 12,000, 12,400 levels can be expected in Nasdaq 100. As a possible little retracement from here on the downside, 11,500, 400, 350 can be said, and then it can continue with the slight bearish movement there. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic near to overbought. The MACD has crossed over, divergent and bullish here. This is second green candle. Probably it may continue, and the RSI is comfortable on the daily charts. It indicates that it has still got some room for it to rise, and hence buy at 11,650. And rather, those who want to take a comfortable trade, just stay long above 11,700. We are looking at 12,000 levels, if not today, possibly next week. Yes, we are looking at 12,000, then 12,400 levels to be seen. On the downside, yes, you can expect it to retrace a little, sell at 11,570. Target should be 11,500, 450, 400, and 350. Below 350, it is going to trade bearish again. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, and look at the, if you want to learn or the art of trading profitably, or yes, if you want to trade profitably with our signals channel, you can either join our mentorship batch. The last batch of this year is going to start on 28th of November. Do not miss this opportunity and join this batch, and you can begin the new year with a bang, with a profit, and definitely you will be happy to join this batch. So reach out to me for more details, as become a part of my signals channel, and definitely trading as per the signals, you can definitely profit. See, in one day itself, we have made for the month. Yesterday itself, before CPI, we have given buy calls in everything, and see all the targets achieved. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Please refrain from the fraudsters, those who commit you multifold return from your penny investment or little investment, because see, those who can give you multifold return from a little investment will not ask money from you. They will invest their own money and then reinvest their profits and then continue, and then likewise they can become millionaire and billionaire. Please, please, please do not get trapped from such fake promises. I only have two things: one is mentorship batch or training, second is signals channel. Rest all are frauds. Please avoid them. Also, please don't get trapped. Please get a confirmation from my official handle or email ID and Telegram mentioned here before making any payment. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now see, Dow Jones on the hourly charts is also showing you a reversal indication here. And yes, once it trades above 33,700, you can sell there. Below 33,700, the target should be 600, 500 till 33,500. It has got very good support, and then the maximum support is at 33, 350, 300 levels. Only below 33, 300, consider this for a bearish move. Till the time it trades above 33, 300, one should not consider this as bearish at all. Directional movement, bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic overbought. The MACD is extremely bullish, trying to converge. RSI overbought. So all indicators overbought here. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, to reversal indication, the support there at 33, 350 levels, very, very strong. Below that, certainly more bearishness to be seen. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD is extremely bullish. It may converge. RSI is overbought. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, look at the 3-hour candle, what it can try to form. If it has to reverse lower highs, lower lows, it can come back till towards 33. 700, 670 levels, and then the next candle may again start to retrace 33,600, 500, and these levels can be achieved. 33,500 should be a very good support now. Directional movement bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought here. Look at the 4-hour charts. Possibility exists that it can cover the gap till here 33, but still it can give you a reversal indication, and the next candle will decide the direction, probably taking it till towards 33,500, 350 levels. Only bearish confirmation if it trades below 33,350. Now look at how it is traded so far. See, this is the expanding triangle, and this time you will find a little slope there. So it is trying to trade within this, the support there on the downside. Now it is far away. Directional movement extremely bullish, stochastic extremely overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought, and once it gets overbought, the more bias to pop in there. Now look at the daily charts, most important ones, trading far away from the 20, 50, 100 moving average. Now see, this time it shied away from the highs of this channel, possibly a breakout beyond 33,820. Yes, 840, you can expect 34,000, 34,200, and then likewise you can expect. And see, there is a support channel also, and now the support at 33,000 is going to be very, very strong. 32,800 to 33,800, this is the zone which is going to be a little swing zone. Directional movement bullish, stochastic entering into overbought levels. The MACD is at extremes here. It may probably converge from here, but see how far it takes. Let's see. RSI is trading near to the highs. Considering this, for the day, buy at 33,840, expected to rise more from there. Else, yes, you can remain short till below 33,700 levels. Yes, you can remain short below 33,700, expect 33,600, 33,500, and yes, once it drops below 33,500, furthermore little bearishness can be seen, taking it till towards 33,350 first support. Below 33,350 only, consider this as bearish, and then you can expect 33,200, 33,100, 33,000, 32 to 800 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.